There, welcome back. And we're going to be installing this light. We're going to open it up. This was a big box. It was intimidating when I saw it come off the truck. But you'll see when we open it up, it's not really that bad. We'll start by opening the little box, and it's just a rod that they want us to use for it. It was probably pretty funny watching me try to open this and maneuver around it, getting out the materials. So then we got to pull out these styrofoams on the side. They're the lamp shades that go on the candelabra bulbs. Very end, last step. All right, and there it is. Just a 6 light chandelier. And now we hang it. It's actually pretty easy. That bracket goes up, and then you just set the ball in there, and it hangs. Let you work on it, hands free. I have to spin it to the right angle though, and then tighten in the screw so it will stay in place and not spin as much, I suppose. So now we're just wiring it up. We'll put the canopy on there, screw it in, and then after that we do the bulbs and the shade. Easy peasy.